How to reduce lag on a Roblox laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reduce lag on a Roblox laptop. To start, go to the Start menu and search for Task Manager in the search bar. Now reach Task Manager and end the task of Google Chrome and Windows Explorer. Then go back to the Start menu, then click on Settings. On the left panel, click on Gaming and hit the toggle button to enable the game bar option. Next, click on the Apps option and use the search bar to search for Roblox. Here, you can update your Roblox application. Lastly, if none of these steps work, consider reinstalling Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.